our bucket full of rusty items. So this thing's obviously had better days. See what it looks like when we're done. Rusty. We're gonna put it 50-50. Okay, well, the water is murky. Time to see. Oh, wow. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, that's so rusty.
Yeah, that's pretty clean.
I already took the hammer out I put in there.
Bolts for days. Evapo-rust for the win. Some of these sockets even had bolts stuck in them, and after sitting in them, they came right out. So, obviously, the socket's basically brand new. Just gotta get some oil back inside just in case it dries out. Other than that, I can read the sizes again and everything.